All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Nissan Versa. It is the SV model. This reddish burgundy with black interior, AM/FM stereo system. It's got 57,000 miles. It is a salvage vehicle. Not sure why. Looks good on the body, so it's not like a salvage from that. It doesn't smell like any flood damage inside. So, but we know that it is a salvage vehicle. Fender looks good, hood looks good, bumper looks good, front driver's hubcap, tire tread. It's just under 730 seconds. This door looks okay. This rear door looks okay, and this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side hubcap. Tire thread back here is just under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Open it up here. Got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. I don't see any holes, no tears, no rips. It looks good. It does have an armrest. Jump into this vehicle. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you get your AM/FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Radio and everything works. AC and heat works. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on except for the airbag that's flashing in this. And there's your mileage of 57,265. Pretty much completes the tour for in here, just so you can hear the radio. Some people think. But no, it is on. It's working. Keeping it moving. Let's open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. The holes, the tears, the rips. Looks good. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Rear deck lid. Looks good. Nice little spoilers. Got your trunk space and what that looks like. Very nice. Does have a spare tire here with some tools in there. I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread. Under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. This is the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks pretty decent. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Actually, I see a hole back here. Boom. Less than an inch, but it is there. Fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Missing a hubcap. You're gonna have to buy one. It's like a $40 item. Under 730 seconds there. Pretty much completes the tour. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a beautiful 2016 Nissan Versa SV model with 57,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.